West Virginia.
Whoa.
The West Virginia State Police are looking for May kindly late Morrow, a white female, 15-month-old, and blue eyes.
Oh my lordy. I have not gotten this in a while. Holy shit.
West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The following message is requested by West Virginia Correctional Management. Biological father of child, white male, 6'1", 175 pounds, 142 years of age. They may be traveling in a blue Subaru 4-door sedan with West Virginia registration for HST-87. If you have any information on the whereabouts of May kindly late Morrow, please contact the West Virginia State Police at 304-272-5131 or call 911 or SP on your cell phone. Father of child, white male, 6'1" inch.
What the fuck?
42 years of age. They may be traveling in a blue Subaru 4-door sedan with West Virginia registration for HF387. If you have any information on the whereabouts of May kindly late Morrow, please contact the West Virginia State Police at 304-272-5131 or call 911 or SP on your cell phone.
Holy shit, bruh. Yo! Hey! Pop! There was a fucking, CAE that got issued. From, LWX.
Wow.
Yeah, it's in West Virginia. There's somebody's child got abducted, dude. That's terrifying, dude. Wow. And I even got this recording. I even got my phone recording too, not my other one, but my main one. Oh my lord. That is insane, dude.